Many people know of solar panels as a great way to cut down on their electric bill. But what would it take for solar panels to get rid of that bill entirely? Are they really an option to power an entire county? The answer is yes, and Door County is a great place to start. But first, what are solar panels exactly? Solar panels such as this one are made out of small individual parts called photovoltaic cells. Each cell is made of silicon or some other semiconductor. Semiconductors have a special property that allows them to receive light energy in the form of photons. These photons can then knock electrons loose from the material. The flow of electrons created when many cells are connected together is electricity, and it can be quite a lot of it produced from a single panel. So now we know how they work. What are some of the benefits of solar electricity? First off, it's clean. Once it's set up, there are no environmental costs. There's no pollution, and there's no burning of fossil fuels, nothing like that. It's clean energy. Then cost. Although it's true that solar panels can be expensive at first, once they're set up, the savings from free energy are going to quickly cover that cost and much more. Then there are the economic benefits. In Door County, much of our revenue comes from tourism. And a Door County powered by solar is going to be much cleaner. And a cleaner Door County is a more beautiful Door County and more attractive to tourists. In addition to this, it can draw more full-time residents because free electricity can be a big magnet for bringing people to Door County looking to settle down. So what are the options for introducing solar to Door County? There are two methods. The first is a decentralized method. In this method, solar panels will be placed on individual houses. This is great for a couple reasons. One, it saves on space that would otherwise be wasted by using unused roof space. In addition, electricity is lost in transfer between buildings and power plants over large distances. Because the electricity is being generated on the house it's being used at, that would greatly reduce the energy loss, and therefore we would need fewer panels. Although it's great for the environment, there are a few logistical problems. First of all, how do we pay for them? It would probably be something involving grants or tax cuts to incentivize people to buy solar panels. However, even with those, not everyone can afford them. In addition to that, maintenance would be a problem, since it would be impractical for the government or a corporation to send people to every house when it snows to clear off the solar panels, and lots of people can't do it themselves. In addition, however, there is another option. It's a centralized method. Although there are some downsides to this, such as the loss of electricity over time, as power is taken from a large group of solar panels in one place and distributed to houses, and the use of space that would otherwise be left for nature or something else. The logistical benefits are great. First of all, because all the panels are in one place, this would allow one corporation or the government to maintain them and have a full staff of people all the time keeping track of them. It could make use of our existing infrastructure, and in addition to that, would be simpler to pay for because the government or corporation could pay for the whole setup and then charge us reduced rates for electricity until it's paid off. So there are a couple methods of doing it. I believe that the best method is a centralized method because although the environmental benefits may be fewer, the practical benefits far outweigh them. And the environmental benefits are still huge. So the next time you turn on a light or charge your phone, think about where the electricity is coming from. Right now, it's coming from wasteful, dirty sources such as coal, oil, and maybe nuclear. In the future, though, it could be coming from the sun, straight from the sun, and benefiting Door County from an economic and environmental standpoint. Because a beautiful Door County is a great Door County. Thank you.